Let's go. Yeah, jokes on you. This is my new model. I am Pipi now. Graduating Haerong. I'm gonna call myself Pipi. Yeah! I'm so excited. Let's go. But wait, huh? I smell something stinky. I can. Can you smell it too? What? Huh? Huh? What are you doing here, Pipi? Huh? Oh yeah, I know I love you, but you cannot stay here. This is my debut. I think I'm gonna eat Pipi here. Wait, come here. Yeah, poo. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna shit in your pants. You wanna eat my poop? Yes. These are my fangs. I'm gonna bite you with my fangs. Yeah, you wanna see my model? So this is my face. Yes, as you can see. I have a flat chest, okay? Don't make fun of me. Flat justice, flat justice. I love big mommy milkers, but I also like flat chest, okay? So, going down, we have my skirt, and I can do... You saw the thighs! You saw them! Oh god! Oh, you hornies. You hacking hornies. You wanna see them? Yeah? Then make some monkey sound. Yes, yes, monkey, monkey, monkey. Yeah, let's go! Big thighs save lives. Yeah. Thigh physics. They jiggles. Cause I gain weight and I'm a fat ass bitch. Boing. Boing. I had to sacrifice my boobies to get these thighs. I can step on you if you want. Pow, 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 pow. I cannot backflip. Unluckily, I cannot do a fast backflip. I have physics. I gotta show you my expressions even though you're not interested. When someone gives me nuggies, I blush. I'm sorry, I burped. It's not true. I never apologize after burping. No, I would never do that. No, this is not Haerong. I just burp. Second expression. You ate all the nuggies. I mean, I may have. But yeah, let's go to the next expression. Next one. Pout! Oh, where are my boobies? But I don't fucking care because I have big thighs. Oh yeah! Next one. Horny! Horny check! I am blob. Yeah, I look like a booba. I can draw peepees! Let's go! Can you see? I'm drawing a ball. Now I'm drawing another ball. And then... This is my favorite. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Yeah, my ears are twitching. Name? Haerong. Is your middle name Haerong too? Maybe. Haerong. And then species, I'm a tokebi. I am a Korean goblin. I may be small, but I have a massive pee-pee. Biggest pee-pee in the universe. Really professional debut. I'm addicted to matcha. Matcha boba, matcha cake, matcha cheesecake, matcha tea, matcha latte, matcha everything. As I told you before, I shat 4 times today. I was too nervous. Just not right now. Okay, goodbye. I'm not a gamer. First, I'm not a gamer. I'm not a weeb. But here's a list of the things that I like. Do not read! Do not! I have to read it! Listen to me! Listen to me! Listen to me! No! White thighs! Super white thighs. Yeah, big thighs. White thighs. Save life. Just watch it. Only watch it, no touch it. No touch it. Mama Haerong. Papa Haerong. This is Mama Haerong and this is Papa Haerong. I learned myself how to draw and read the model because I'm too pro. I wanted to mention Kyobin. We are a small group of friends. They're really poggers friends. Talented, epic, and digit group. Have you stayed hydrated? I just drank piss, so I guess yeah. Why you keep VTuber? I am not cute! How did you come out with the name Haerong and what does it E stands for? The full name is Haerong, right? It's a way to say dizzy in Korean. I'm not dizzy because I'm drunk. I am dizzy because I am sleepy. Are you an broke sign. I am broke, bro.
If you're going to release any merch, come forth.